Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can outline text in Canva. First of all, we want to pick our text. Let's go to the left side of the screen. We go with add heading and write anything you want to hear. Hello YouTube, for instance. And now we want to outline the text. So let's go for, let's type outline. And yeah, I liked this Brixton outline. And as you can see, it's changed. So you can change the color to red. But as you can see, it only changed the outline part of the text, not the inside. So what we want to do, we want to basically copy paste it, and the new one, we want to go for, as this is Brixton outline, we want to write only Brixton, like this. We want to change the color to black, and yeah, let's go like this, let's say. And by the moving of your keyboard rounds, you can outline it. You can pick a position. Yeah, let's zoom in. And as you can see, we already added the outline. Very easy, very nice, and basic and fast. If you're satisfied with this one, well, that's how you do it. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.